Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, pretty sharp down day for indexes. S&P pairing almost 100 points off of yesterday's closing price, so very clearly some weakness out there. You've got a lot of geopolitical tensions that seem to be rising. That's what you're going to hear if you look at any news source over the weekend. But I wanted to try to bring you a view looking for a bounce. And there are a couple of ways this could unfold, so you want to kind of tread lightly, but it works off of, maybe three concepts. The first of which is looking at the VIX outside the daily chart and its Bollinger Bands. So, this can come in salvos, right? There can be more instances of it, but what I'm usually looking for are 2 days above that upper Bollinger Band, and then starting to think that the VIX is going to mean revert. Because much more so than an equity, the VIX does tend to be mean reverting, and that's part of what I believe is showing up on the daily chart. The other piece of it is thinking about a pit bull low concept, or thinking about into the monthly expiration, which will be next Friday. Market makers like to have a little bit of implied volatility so they can sell it, right? Have a move that's a little bit scary, a little to the downside, that juices up implied volatility, and then they'll have that IV to sell into the monthly expiration. And then the final piece of this is looking at it for the VIX expiration. So remember that these VIX futures are going to expire differently than your equities. So what I'm thinking is, while the VIX has been really juiced up this week, that expiration is going to put a dampener on things, essentially suppress volatility into Wednesday morning. And then once we get through that expiration on Wednesday, you may see a little bit more volatility. Equities may become untethered from that volatility way of thinking. And those are three ways that I'm going to be trying to find myself a little bounce somewhere from Monday into Tuesday afternoon. And then we'll have a fresh set of ideas as we get closer to Friday. So I hope you find the review helpful. You guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.